Alright, this is an unboxing and review of the Maximum Mastercraft Ratcheting Wrench set. It's an 18-piece set. Canadian Tire here in Canada has a myriad of different sets, 15-piece, 30-piece, 24-piece. This is the 18. It's got metric and SAE in it. I believe you get 8 SAE and 10 metric wrenches. Those are the sizes there of what is included. Some of the most common sizes, particularly in metric, is mostly what I use. Has a lifetime warranty from Canadian Tire. This is what you get. Here's the 10 metric wrenches. Starts at 19. You get a 19, an 18, a 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, no 11, which is fine, a 12, no 9, and an 8. So 8 to 19, no 9, and no 11. Good assortment there. And a metric, you get 3/4, 11/16, 5/8, 9/16, 1/2 inch, 7/16, 3/8, and little bitty 5/16. So this is a good set. This covers the bulk of most of the fasteners that the average DIYer is going to come across. These, I believe, are made by Gearwrench. They used to have Gearwrench stamped right on them. Some of their other ones do, like their flex head one. This is a flex head Maximum Mastercraft wrench, and it has a Gearwrench on it. I'm assuming that these are also Gearwrenches, rebranded as Mastercraft, but I'm not positive. These are 72 tooth, so reasonably fine. 5 degrees of arc, they say. They feel good. They are a decent length. Now here, just to compare, all these sets are often the length of the wrench or the beam is different. Here's a 14, and here's this 14 in the standard combination wrench. So definitely a bit shorter, but not too short. Certainly not a stubby, but not the longest. Let's have a look at the flex head, how it compares. So the flex head is just about identical in length. The nice thing about these wrenches from Canadian Tire is that they often go on sale for considerably less than their standard price. And never buy anything from Canadian Tire from their regular price, their non-sale price. These were $59 for all 18 wrenches. So that's like $3 and change per wrench, which is an exceptional deal. Granted, these aren't the best tools that money can buy, but at the same time, they have a lifetime warranty. And if you live in Canada, chances are you're not too far from a Canadian Tire. I'm 2 minutes away, so I can warranty these anytime I need, should one of them break. Now, obviously, you're not going to want to be removing crazy stuck fasteners with the ratcheting portion of it. Don't ask these wrenches to do what they're not designed to do. But if you break one, it's not the end of the world. You could just easily get it warrantied. As you can see, there's no offset on them. They're totally straight, unlike this box end wrench here that has a bit of an offset on it that allows you to get into different places depending on where the bolt is, which can be advantageous. These don't have that because there's no reverse on them. It's tighten one way, turn it over, loosen the other way. So that's why there's no offset on these, and there's no switch to adjust it like some ratcheting wrenches like this one here, where there's a switch to reverse it, forward and reverse. So that's the design of them. They are awfully handy to have over a standard box end wrench if you're in a tight spot. Saves you a lot of realigning onto the fastener every time. The one thing that you do need to be mindful about with this type of a wrench, when you're backing something out, let's say you're in a tight spot and you're backing a fastener out. If you get yourself into a position where you're backing the fastener out and you go up against a frame or another piece of metal or something, and now you're stuck and there's no reverse, so you can't tighten it back up and get your wrench back out. So you do need to be mindful about that with a wrench that does not reverse. Just be mindful that you don't back yourself into a position where you can't get the wrench off, the fastener out, and now you can't go forward and bring it back in. So something to watch out for. That happening is quite rare, but there is a possibility of that happening. Alrighty, so that's the Maximum Mastercraft 18-piece ratcheting wrench set. A heck of a deal for $59 from Canadian Tire with a lifetime warranty and decent quality tools for the DIY homeowner individual. Thanks for watching.